Good medical morning. This is Watson, and today we're going to check out the top 5 blackheads and pimple pops that I haven't seen in a very long time. While you watch a couple previews, please click the subscription button and the notification bell. Also, don't forget that if you're a true popaholic, you'll want to pick up this Comedone Extractor Kit, now available on Amazon. We'll put a link below. Here's one final look at a Comedone extractor in use. Thanks for watching. Now stick around for Thynergy. Hey folks, you've heard from hundreds of people who have benefited from Dr. Gilmore's Meta 7. And you've seen celebrities and fitness experts talk about Thynergy. Now it's time to pick up the ultimate weight loss pack, Thynergy and Meta 7 together. Activate your life with more energy from Meta 7, then curb your appetite and burn those calories with Thynergy. Check out the Amazon links below and start losing weight today.